The moon is a beautiful celestial body in the night sky. But behind this silence, it continues to send invisible power to our Earth. That's the gravity of the moon. And gravity has a much bigger effect on the entire Earth than we realize. The phenomenon where the moon's gravity is most clearly manifested is the tides. The moon pulls on the Earth's oceans, causing sea levels to rise and fall. In fact, the same gravitational force is at work on the other side of the Earth. There are 2 high and 2 low tides per day. Without this tide, the marine ecosystem will collapse and coastal creatures will no longer be able to survive. Even more surprising is that the moon's gravity even changes the speed at which the Earth rotates. Tidal friction slows the Earth's rotation ever so slightly. In fact, hundreds of millions of years ago, the Earth. It rotated much faster than it does now, and a day was only about 22 hours long. If things continue as they are, a day in the future may be longer than 24 hours. The Earth rotates at an angle of approximately 23.4 degrees. This tilt of the Earth's axis is the key factor that creates the 4 seasons. But, what if the moon didn't exist? The Earth's axis of rotation wobbles violently over a span of tens of thousands of years. The climate would have become unstable, and the planet would have become chaotic, with extreme periods of cooling and heating. In other words, the moon is a celestial body that stabilizes the Earth's climate. One theory is that the tidal rhythm caused by the gravitational pull of the moon. It is said to have had a major influence on the birth and evolution of life. When the tide goes out, the small marine creatures are left behind on land. This is where adaptation to land began. In other words, if there were no tides, land life, and even humans, might not have come into being. It is said that the moon also has an influence on the human body and mind. Sleep quality, emotional fluctuations, and even the timing of childbirth. Although not fully understood medically, many people feel the power of the moon unconsciously. Without even realizing it, we are deeply connected to the moon. Its appearance floating in the night sky is not just a landscape. The invisible force that protects the Earth, the guardian of the sky. If there was no moon, maybe we wouldn't exist today. See you at the next wonder. Subscribe and like our channel and let's explore new mysteries of the universe together. Thank you for watching until the end.